hang tight. I'm going to give you some details that may lose this build. We'll see what happens. January 1, they decided, or they reached capacity on their water source and are no longer allowing any customers to tap into their water line. So I've got a few phone calls and made a few phone calls and see what we can figure out. We're in here. Let's get this thing started. Hey guys, Michael Hicks here with Mike Does. We're out here at the Blue Ridge lot. Good news, we got approval for our water, so we're able to move on now. We've got the lot cleaned off, getting ready to dig our foundation. I want to show you guys what the lot looks like and kind of how it turned out. I'm standing at the back of where the A-frame treehouse will go. It's a steep lot, so we're having to hang on the side of the hill and dig these holes, but we'll get them dug and get this thing going. Let's turn around and take a look at the water. It's hard to tell from the video, but the lot's kind of steep. See if I can make my way down to the lower level there without falling. You know what? I'm not even going to walk down there because I know I'll fall. But we'll be about 13 feet above that stump that you see there with the floor level of the home. And that'll hang you right out over that ledge there, giving you a full view of the river. Fightingtown Creek, I'm sorry. It's a creek. And then the sun comes right over the hill right there. It's starting to peek out now, but looking good. Enjoying what we got here. We might cut a few more trees there to open that view up a little bit, but we'll have a covered deck on the first and second level, and then an open deck out below it. Still trying to figure out how to get a hot tub down here, but you know, where there's a will, there's a way. We'll see if we can get it carried down the hill. If not, we just may put a cowboy tub in and do it that way. But check in a little bit. We'll get these piers dug and talk to you here in a little bit. So we're digging everything by hand to have minimal impact. Try not to bring any more equipment in than we have to. All right, guys, we're out here day 2 of our footing foundation layout. We got rained out yesterday, so we're back today. Got our posts stood, holes dug. We're getting everything squared up now. Getting those back 2x4s there. That'll be the level of the top of our post, and then we'll come in with our glue lam beams on top of those posts, running perpendicular to the road or in the direction of the river, creek. And then we'll lay our floor system perpendicular to those glue lams. Once we get that in, we can make a little headway, but this is slow out here working on the side of a hill like this. We're having to carry everything up and down the hill, the materials. We were trying to figure out how to get our concrete in here, having trouble finding a pump truck, but we just ran that down. It's Thursday, can't get the pump truck till next Wednesday. We've got some rain in between, so hopefully we don't fill our holes full of water and slow progress down there, but jump back in next week and get these foundation piers poured and get some lumber out here. Let's get this thing going. Blue Ridge Treehouse A-frame. I'm not sure what we're going to call it yet, but it'll be an A-frame, elevated, looking over the water there. Getting ready to pour our piers. They've been inspected, approved, and got the pump truck getting set up now, getting ready to go. All right, guys, thanks for watching this week's video. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below. Tell us what you think about this build. See you guys next week.